This is the blending video for R. R is an interesting sound in that it's often very challenging for young learners to pronounce. This could be true of both first language English speakers and second language English speakers. In both, there's a tendency to pronounce it as a W or another approximation of some kind. As such, we're using a very, very exaggerated face to get this across. So a natural R sound is our lips slightly parted and our teeth apart. But this exaggerated face has our lips wide apart and our teeth together. What this allows us to do is it allows us to get to a sound which is very, very close to the natural R sound, but at the same time is easy for children to reproduce, is recognizable, and can be applied effectively when they're blending. It blends, once they've got the knack of the actual sound, the blending is relatively simple. It is a conventional blend in that we can use the pipe idea and transition from the consonant through to the vowel. So ra, ra, ri, ro, re. So once learners have got to grips with the production of the sound, blending it shouldn't be too much of a problem.